Alex Hormozi just launched his newest book, 100 Million Money Model. And if you've been following the series, you know what's coming. First, we had $100 million offers, then $100 million leads. And now this third piece ties everything together into one monster of a framework. I got my hands on it, studied it, and even built out a full mind map of the book. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what Hormozi teaches, plus my honest review, who this book is for, what I love, and a couple places where I think you might struggle if you're brand new. If you've ever felt like you're hustling 24/7 but still not building predictable wealth, this book is a game changer. Because at its core, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about building what Hormozi calls a money machine, a system that acquires customers, keeps them around, and multiplies their value over time. And let me tell you, once you see this framework, you'll never look at business the same way again. So let's get into it. Here's my breakdown of 100 Million Money Model. The central thesis of this book is simple, but powerful. Most businesses fail not because they don't have a good product, but because they don't have a predictable way to make money. Think about it. How many entrepreneurs do you know who launch a product, hustle on social media, maybe run some ads, but every month feels like starting from zero? That's not a business. That's survival mode. Hormozi says a true business has three systems. A system to acquire customers, a system to keep customers, a system to monetize customers. And when these three systems work together, they form what he calls a money machine bank. Here's an analogy. Imagine you're pumping water into a leaky bucket. That's most businesses. They can pour in as many customers as they want through marketing, but if those customers churn out after one purchase, the bucket is empty again. Now imagine a bucket with layers and compartments. Every drop you pour in gets caught, filtered, and reused. That's what Hormozi is teaching. How to build a system where money flows in, stays in, and multiplies. This isn't about hustling harder. It's about engineering smarter. The guy even says in the book, stop thinking like a hustler, start thinking like a banker. A banker doesn't chase every dollar. They design a system where dollars flow to them. And once you see it this way, you realize that scaling isn't magic. It's math. Hormozi hammers this point. The biggest business advantage isn't price, isn't ads, isn't even brand. It's outlasting your competitors. Competing on price? That's a race to the bottom. Somebody can always sell cheaper. Competing on ads? Great. Until your costs double and suddenly your margin is gone. The real advantage is building a model where your competitors can't touch you. And he breaks this down with the idea of switching costs. Think about Amazon. Do you shop there because it's always the cheapest? No. You shop there because you're hooked into Prime. You trust the delivery speed. Your payment info is saved and your wish list is already built. Leaving Amazon would feel inconvenient. That's the moat Hormozi wants you to build. Not just making sales, but creating systems so sticky that customers stay, even if competitors try to lure them away. He points out that businesses with recurring revenue are stronger because they don't start from zero each month. Imagine two gyms. Gym A sells one-off memberships and has to convince every customer to renew each month. Gym B sells subscriptions, collects payments automatically, and stacks predictable income like bricks. Who wins? Gym B every time. And here's the kicker. Most entrepreneurs ignore this because it's boring. But boring businesses compound. Hormozi even says, excitement is the enemy of wealth. Predictability is its best friend. That was a mic drop moment for me reading the book. Get customers. Make money from those customers. Reinvest that money back into acquiring more customers. Rinse and repeat. That's it. But here's why it matters. Most entrepreneurs don't complete the cycle. They either spend all their profit on lifestyle upgrades instead of reinvestment, or they scatter focus across 10 side hustles instead of doubling down on the one engine that's working. Hormozi's point is, wealth comes from boring repetition, like a flywheel. At first it takes a ton of effort to get spinning, but once momentum kicks in, every push adds exponential speed. This is where I think beginners might struggle. Everyone wants a shiny tactic, the secret hack. But Hormozi's model is more like, pick one lane, nail it, reinvest, and loop the cycle until you've built something massive. That's how Gym Launch went from zero to $100 million plus. Not because they chased every shiny object, but because they reinvested relentlessly into what worked. Now let's talk about the money taps, because this is where the book gets tactical. Hormozi says most people think of revenue as one stream. Sell a product, get paid. But a real money model has layers of income taps. Customer offers. This is your hook, your irresistible deal. Something so good it gets people in the door. Hormozi's famous line is, make an offer so good, people feel stupid saying no. Example, Costco's $4.99 rotisserie chicken. They don't make money on it, but it pulls people into the store where they buy $300 worth of bulk groceries. That's a front-end offer. Then the upsells. Once a customer buys, they don't stop there. Alex Hormozi says, if you sell a fitness program, upsell supplements, coaching, or premium plans. If you sell software, upsell advanced features. Why? Because the hardest part is getting the first sale. Every upsell dramatically increases the lifetime value of that customer. Now, when it comes to retention, this is where wealth is built. If your customer leaves after one transaction, you're hustling backwards. Instead, build continuity via subscriptions, memberships, recurring services. Netflix doesn't care if you watch every day. They care that your card stays on file. Alex talks about consistency and trust. He says keep delivering. The businesses that win long-term are those that show up consistently and build trust. Think Starbucks. You know what you're going to get anywhere in the world. That predictability is part of the money model. Here's the math Hormozi emphasizes. If you increase retention by just 10% or raise average order value by 20%, your profits can explode without ever adding a single new customer. That's why this section of the book feels like a cheat code. It's not about chasing more leads. It's about engineering more money from the leads you already have. One of the sharpest contrasts Hormozi draws is between the traditional model and his improved model. Traditional model. Make a sale. Hope the customer comes back someday. Restart the hustle every month. Improved model. Acquire the customer once. Lock them in with consistent value. Monetize with upsells, cross-sells, subscriptions. Turn them into advocates who bring in new customers. He said, Apple is his go-to example. You don't just buy an iPhone. You buy AirPods, iCloud, AppleCare, a MacBook, and eventually you're so deep in the ecosystem, it feels impossible to switch. That's the money model. And it's not just Apple. Think about gym subscription boxes, SaaS software. The companies that aren't doing one-off transactions. They're building ecosystems. Hormozi's improved model isn't just smarter, it's harder to kill. Which, honestly, is why this book feels like an operator's manual more than a motivational read. The concept of the money machine bank. Imagine your business as a tier bank account for customers. Tier 1, easy entry, low ticket offers. Tier 2, mid-ticket, where you capture serious buyers. Tier 3, high ticket, premium experiences for your super fans. Every customer starts somewhere in the bank, and your job is to move them upward, unlocking more value at each step. It's like a ladder. A gym might start with a free trial, then move customers into a $50 per month membership, then sell them personal training at $500 per month, and eventually premium retreats or mastermind groups. That ladder lets you monetize every type of customer, the casuals, the committed, and the obsessed. When you think of your business this way, you realize how much money is being left on the table. Most entrepreneurs stop at tier 1. Hormozi saying, build all 3 tiers, and you got a bank that keeps compounding. The last big theme in the book is scaling, and here's where Hormozi separates himself from most gurus. Scaling isn't about working harder. It's about leverage. Automate repetitive tasks. Systemize onboarding so customers slide right in. Build referral engines so your happy customers bring in more. And once these systems are built, your effort doesn't just add, it multiplies. Hormozi compares it to compound interest. The same input today produces exponentially bigger results tomorrow because your systems are doing the heavy lifting. That's why 100 Million Money Model feels less like a motivational book and more like an engineering manual for money. So, is 100 Million Money Model worth reading? Here's my honest take. If you're brand new and just trying to make your first $1,000 online, this book might feel overwhelming. Hormozi writes for operators who are ready to think bigger. But if you're serious about scaling, even if you're only at $5,000 or $10,000 a month, this book will change the way you see business. So what are the pros of buying this book? 1, it contains practical frameworks, no fluff. 2, clear examples that make you rethink customer acquisition. 3, it ties together his other books beautifully. As expected, let's talk about the cons. The book is dense, so don't just expect a hand-holding guide. Some examples assume you already have momentum. Now, let's talk about my honest review. Overall, I give this book a 9.5/10. It's his best work yet, because it takes everything he's been teaching and shows you how to put it into a system that compounds. If offers taught you how to get attention, and leads taught you how to attract customers, then Money Model teaches you how to turn that attention into a money machine that can run forever. So yeah, it's a must-read if you're serious about building wealth through business. If you've been stuck on the treadmill of constantly chasing new customers, do yourself a favor and grab 100 Million Money Model. It'll challenge your assumptions, and more importantly, it'll give you a clear playbook to stop hustling and start building a system that pays you back. If you like this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments. Should I do a deeper dive into Hormozi's money machine bank framework or his retention strategies? Because honestly, each of those deserves its own 20-minute breakdown. Anyway, thanks for watching, and remember, wealth isn't about working harder, it's about building smarter. I will see you in the next one.